How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, we'll compare two tools, which is going to be Onshape versus the Fusion 360. The first thing that I want to talk about is their platform and accessibility. Onshape right here is fully cloud-based. Now, you can run it in your browser on almost any device. No installation needed. For the Fusion 360, it's a hybrid. It basically uses cloud features but still runs as a desktop application, so you can work offline too. The second category is their features and capability. Fusion 360 is an all-in-one tool. It includes CAD, CAM, simulations, and even rendering in one platform. Meanwhile, Onshape focuses more on pure CAD and collaboration, and many advanced features like simulations or CAM requires an add-on, so you just have to keep that in mind. Now, for collaboration, which is really important for some users, this is where Onshape shines. It offers real-time collaboration like Google Docs for CAD. Multiple users can basically work on the same design at once. For Fusion 360, they have cloud sharing, but it's not as seamless for live teamwork. Next, their ease of use. Onshape has a clean modern interface and it's easier to learn for beginners. For Fusion 360, they have more tools, which means a slightly steeper learning curve but offers more flexibility. And the last thing is going to be, of course, the pricing. Fusion 360 is more affordable and even is free for students and hobbies. Meanwhile, for Onshape CAD, they also have a free version, but your designs are public, and paid plans are more expensive than Fusion 360. To finish the video, you simply want to choose Onshape for collaboration and cloud access, and you want to use Fusion 360 for features, flexibility, and value. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.